Hi, my name is Marie, and I'll be telling you about the hairy nosed otter, an endangered animal in South Asia. The hairy nosed otter has a specific name, Lutra sumatrana, found in Thailand, Vietnam, Indonesia, Malaysia, Cambodia, and Myanmar, also known as Burma. In Thailand, it lives in the Phu Tua Diang Pit swamp forest. In Vietnam, it has also been reported from the low peak swamp forest of U Minh Tuong Nature Reserve in Mekong Delta, and from Cambodia, it has been reported from the To Sap wetlands. It inhabits freshlands and coastal areas, especially the mangroves in Indonesia. First question: how does the hairy nosed otter look like? Due to its hairy nose, this otter is called the hairy nosed otter. Its nose is covered in short, dark fur, apart from the upper edge of the nostrils, which is bare. The fur on the upper side of the body is typically silky dark brown, occasionally tingled with red, faded to the lighter color on the upper side, a yellowish white on the throat, chin, and upper lip. Also, this otter has a flattened tail, colored brown. Nutrition. Fish and water snakes are the preferred prey of this otter, although it may supplement its diet with a variety of frogs, lizards, turtles, crabs, small mammals, and insects. Threats. This rare otter is becoming very near to extinct. And is in severe endangerment. In recent years, the tropical pit swamp forests are under threat due to fire and other activities such as plantation for oil palm, food crops such as rice, corn, and soybean, and fish farming. In Vietnam, the entire Mekong Delta has been converted into rice fields, including the habitat of otter and other wildlife species into few patches. In Malaysia, fire reduced 70% of the Bin So Lok Forest Reserve and 10% of the Kilia Forest Reserve, much to the disappointment to save the otter. Nowadays, only 86 otters still live in South Asia. Scientific problem. These threats interfere with science because the hairy nosed otter is an animal that contributes to an important animal chain. If one animal dies, then another animal may suffer from that problem. So you have to remember that this tower of animals is becoming more and more unstable, and one day it will fall down into chaos and will pull us human beings into the suffering moments that those animals once had to go through with much pleasure. Imagine humans becoming extinct because they didn't take very well their planet and its creatures. It's a scientific problem that animals are dying because of us, and one day we will suffer from it. So the problem is to save these animals from becoming extinct and make that chain stronger and stable. So the only thing that can help us from that problem is science and learning more about the species. Conservation. In Thailand, all the otter species has been protected since 1961 under Wild Animals Preservation and Protection Act, and are listed as the endangered animal species in Thailand Red Data Book. In Vietnam, otters are protected and their hunting and use is strictly banned. In Cambodia, the hairy nosed otter is listed as rare and fully protected. What can you do? Well, you could. When you're in a natural reserve, make sure you don't chop your trash. Don't buy other otter skins and other altered products. Donate to IUCN toward otter conservation. Try to avoid zoos with hairy nosed otter, and when you are in one of those zoos, don't recommend them. Support otter organizations that help otters. What can scientists do? They can try and learn and observe otters and other animals closely and understand them. Teach students and other smaller children why animals are so important and what they can do for us. Make very strict rules about animal traits and only with a very good reason allow them. Ban all zoos and circuses using animals in a hurtful way. For each nature reserve, put a guard and other security to be sure about illegal hunting for endangered animals. Make endangered animals artificially make babies. Teach people at all ages, but mostly children, about the importance of animals. And most importantly, no chemical testing on any animals in any single case. Sources. Thank you for watching.